years ago.
Feeling trapped with that shit, you know. So he stops me. You got your license? Then asks me, did I have insurance? You know, normally they, nigga, you got your insurance papers, you know? He asked me for license, I got him, I give him to him, you know, okay, he texts me shit, nigga good. I wanted to ask him, what y'all do, inventory niggas out here in McLean? You know, cause hey, I don't fit in, you know? I don't fit in, but hey, one thing I want to say in here, there's some fine ass women up in here, so ladies give yourself applause, cause hey, damn right. Damn right, because I ain't seen nothing better for a man than a woman, okay? Besides breathing. You got to breathe, okay? So, you know, my thing is, you know, I got a woman that, for y'all that do know me, my woman Big Judy, okay? 350 pounds, big ass, probably way more than that now, you know? But, I mean, you know, when I met her ass, she was 110 over the years, you know, she done grew, okay? I ain't got no issue with that. Because, hey, when you're with somebody, it's from the heart, you know? So, her big ass, you know, she tells me the other day, you know, when you're on your way back, can you stop and get me an 18-piece bucket from KFC? Okay, I got no problem with that. What you want for size, baby? A large order of fries and a Diet Coke. Now, ain't that effed up? Now, you gonna get all of this shit with a Diet Coke. You know what I mean? What is a Diet Coke supposed to do? Help wash the shit down? Because, hey, it damn sure ain't gonna make you lose damn calorie, okay? So, I mean, but I tell you, you know, I am the type of man that feels that, hey, life is good. Life is good, and I mean, hey, to me, ain't nothing better than having fun, and I like to have fun. So, the thing is, I had to go. I'm gonna tell you people, hey, I've been arrested for domestic violence, okay? I know you women say, oh, that's one of them OJ niggas, I got to leave him alone, you know? No, I didn't say murder, I said domestic violence. I mean, but the thing about it, I'm gonna tell you, you know, I called the police. I did, because she was whooping my ass, okay? I called the police, you know? And, I mean, you know, it just totally effed up. I called the police and, you know, I'm sitting there and the police come. My thing was, I'm trying to leave. Okay, I just wanted my shit out the house, you know? And so when the police come, you know, they runs a check and everything, find out they ain't did nothing. But then they arrest me, cause hey, I keeps her from whooping my ass by leaving, you know? Well, you're under arrest there, Mr. Lolo. I'm under arrest, you know? I mean, damn, but I tell you, hey, fellas, you don't have to whoop a woman. You whoop her in the bedroom. That's where you whoop her. That's where you get your revenge at, fellas, you know? I mean, because there ain't no excuse for a man hitting on a woman other than the bedroom. And y'all fellas know what I mean when I say hit her in the bedroom, okay? That's where you knock that ass out, okay? You know, just straight up knock that ass out, you know? I mean, you have a seizure on that ass. You know, I mean, damn, you know? And hey, but I tell you, what messes me up when I have sex, man, I mean, I'm doing good with a woman when I have the seizure on her, man. But when she go to hollering, oh, Lord, oh, Jesus, you know, I mean, my shit just, you know, I mean, I can't have sex with you, baby, when you go to hollering the Lord, because, hey, I know we doing wrong anyway, because we ain't married, you know, and we committing a sin, and I mean, it's like, I be looking up for a bolt of lightning to strike me in my ass, you know? It's like, no, baby, this got the end right here. I can't deal with this, you know? But I tell you, hey, I am the type of fella that do anything. I mean, do anything. I treat a woman like a candy bar, okay? What do you do with a candy bar, fellas? Eat it. Thank you. I heard one man over here tell the truth. You unwrap that ass and you eat it, okay? So, hey, I treat you like a candy bar, baby, and then I treat you like a melted ice cream. I mean, you know, cause hey, I mean, I'm telling you, ain't nothing better for me, you know, cause I ain't seen damn man that look that good to me say, damn, I want to fuck him, you know. It just don't happen in my world. It just don't happen, you know. But I mean, I done seen a lot of women like, damn, I want to tap that ass, you know? I mean, so I like to give a hello to one of my fans out there. I got one fan, she tell me she love me, you know? But hey, baby, I like to see you. Damn, is the police in here and shit? I see the light shining. But hey, I enjoyed y'all, man. My name is Lolo. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Didn't mean to offend anybody, but if I did, don't give a fuck.